So I got this wig from Amazon, and to be honest, this wig better not fail me because I wanted to see what the hype was about. And of course, I decided, yeah, cool, this is gonna be my birthday wig. So we're gonna unbox it together and see what it's giving y'all. And okay, came with some little lashes. They ain't that bad. They alright. They fair for a square. I might rock them. I don't know. But this is what the wig looks like. I got a 10-inch 613. This is supposed to be a 4x4 bulb. And I think this is the one everybody was hyping about. But on Amazon, it had mixed reviews. So I just wanted to get it for myself just to see exactly what it was giving. Okay, and already they motherfucking lied. This was supposed to be... You know what? Let me not say they lying because, honestly, I thought that I ordered a 4x4 wig, but this is clearly a teapot, and this is exactly what I did not fucking want. Like, who the fuck is gluing down a teapot wig? Y'all, I'm going to leave the link for what I ordered because I really don't think I ordered this. But anyway, so some people in the reviews were saying that it was real thin and that the tracks was showing at the top. It's not really showing... I mean, if you look hard, it is, but I'm going to put some roots on it. So, yeah, but this is what it's giving. It's a little jacked up from being in the box, but like this video and comment if y'all want to see part 2 to me customizing it and how I style it and the end result.
You just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time. You just waste my time.